Alice Muthoni Wahome.
Thutha wa guikara thi guthurimwo rita ria keri ta minista mwamure thirikari-ini ya Kenya Kwanza, mubunge wa tene wa Kandara Alice Muthoni Wahome anyititwo geni na kiuria kia wici wa migunda guku bururi-ini.
Your documents.
Wahome ugite thina uyu wa mindi na mindi niguo ninwo ministry ino irabatara ciringi bilioni 40 kuiga rekodi cia migunda mutambo-ini wa kiriu wa Athi Sasa uria wambiriirie kaunti-ini ya Nairobi na gutambio kaunti-ini iria ingi.
We needed a better budget, a bigger budget, to the tune of between 35 and 40 billion to be able to secure all our records under the digitization system.
Ningi minista uyu mwamure ni ugite ministry yake nderi na bara na commission ya bururi iria gitagira na kurora migunda ya muingi niyo National Land Commission ona thengia wa ngucanio cia hau kabere iria ni muhinga hari gukinyia tungata kuri muingi.
We've not had any conflict or fight between my office and the office of the National Land Commission. In fact, I would say that I am having quite a cordial working relationship with the chairman and his commission.
Ningi Wahome ni akorire haceke agicokia kiuria kiegi riendekithia ria gucenjia watho mweru wa migunda kurihia igoti migunda iria tarahuthika akiuga riari riendekithia ria kuongerera igoti ria bururi na ati kigina giki kingirari kia ukuria wa matura.
Bill of the Land Amendment Bill number 2 of 2023, which I withdrew, which came from
which was
ministry.
our bill, yes.
And the issue she has raised is the issue of rates on freehold land.
The land that you are sitting on is actually has been developed to equal. In this country, then, we are having some people paying and others are not paying. And I think that is a conversation that we will be able to bring back.
Abunge ihinda-ini riu ni maugira muingi nduiganirite na kurengwo kwa kigina kia nyumba cia raithi kuona ciambiriirie o icigo imwe, na Wahome agatetera mubango uyu wa thirikari na wandikite mbeu njithi mawira na Kenya ni mekwambiriria kwigwatira nyumba ici mwaka uyu. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Gicimo Joseph.